Although most covalent compounds do not form ions when dissolved in water because they are non-electrolyte solution. There's one important exception, and you're going to see acids very often. Okay, so acids are those covalent compounds that produce proton or hydrogen ion, we call proton, in an aqueous solution. All right. For example, hydrochloric acid dump into water, it ionize or dissociate, either word work, to proton and chloride ion. Yeah, and you got a cation and an ion, so the solution can conduct electricity. So acids solution are actually electrolyte solution. Nitric acid dump into water, ionize to proton and nitrate ion. Yeah, and acids are corrosive, meaning that they destroy many substances, including metal surface. Depends on how strong an acid is. They can also cause severe burns to the skin. So that's the reason why if you go to the chemistry lab, you have to wear proper clothes. Okay. All right. These are common acids that you're going to see in this course. We have HF, HCl, HBr, HI. We have nitric acid. You might have heard about it. Sulfuric acid. I'm sure you heard about this before. Carbonic acid. There's an acid in soda. And we have phosphoric acid. Acetic acid. That's vinegar. Okay. All right, don't memorize this just yet. All right, we're going to talk about this acid in one by one. All right, the first group right here, group 7. Again, there's a lot of things that are happening with group 7. So group 7, when pair up, when they form a covalent bond with the hydrogen, they become an acid because they can ionize and the hydrogen become proton. Okay, HCl or hydrochloric acid, that's probably the most familiar one for you. And guess what? Group 7, they do the same thing. They have the same name. If HCl is called hydrochloric acid, guess what? What is this guy name? Hydrofluoric acid. Yeah. Hydro right down here, bromic acid. And this guy right here, what does it call? Hydroiodic acid. There we go. All right. This species, this family, we call hydroacids. All right. So the name gonna be hydro and whatever acid. That's how we call it. Right, hydroacid. The new name, or in your textbook, this is a newer name. They call it a binary acid because there are two species in it, proton and halogen, basically. Okay. All right, let's go to another type of acids we call oxy acid.